going to talk a little bit about how to use a planisphere. Planisphere is one of the pieces of equipment you've been asked to purchase for this course. It is a paper slide rule type device, and it's very useful for looking at comparative positions of constellations, for seeing diurnal motion of constellations.
What was that word? Diurnal? I've never heard that word before. What does that mean?
Diurnal? I've never heard that.
Anybody?
Diurnal? What?
Diurnal. The stars' movements.
What does that mean?
It's just the way they refer to the background stars as versus the sun or the wandering planets. It's based on the stars, just the celestial sphere and the stars that are attached to it in their imagination. As they say, you have to imagine this.
So for Brian, then, the diurnal or diurnal? What is it? Diurnal
means it relates to them when they're in the day. So it's the position of the stars in the day when you can't see them.
Diurnal, says Quinlan 1977. Diurnal during the day. Yeah, like Adam just said.
Diurnal. Yeah, relates to the position they would have if you could see them.
Gotcha. Oh, so that's why it's specifically got a title, because it's seeing them on the planisphere when you're not seeing them in the sky. Okay, diurnal. You learn something new every day.
And stars, and to kind of locate things in the night sky. Now, the planisphere you've been asked to purchase is from 40 to 50 degrees north latitude. That's
Flat Earth required.
because that is where we live. We live in the northern half of the North American continent.
On a flat Earth, with degree measurements capable.
Of the United States. And so this one works very, very well. There are other types. This one is for 30 to 40 degrees latitude.
Flat Earth required.
And if you lived a little bit further south, let's say you lived Missouri, Oklahoma, even as far south as maybe Florida, Southern California, this one would be a little bit better. If you happen to get the 30-40 instead of the 40-50, do
Flat Earth required either way.
not stress about it. Both are going to be pretty darn close for our purposes.
Well, you know, sometimes you're sitting in polite company and you're listening to people talk and you just think to yourself, this person really knows what they're talking about. That was not one of these times.